Hello and welcome to a video on how to land your dream data science job in January. If you're looking to start or advance your career in data science, January is a great time to get started on your job search. In this video, we'll provide tips and strategies for finding and applying data science jobs so that you can set up yourself for success. Before we get into the specific steps of the job search process, it's essential to identify your job goals. What are you looking for in a data science job? Consider factors such as the company size, location, and industry. Make a list of your desired job characteristics to help guide your search. So getting into the tips, tip number one, once you have a clear idea of what you're looking for, the first thing that you need to do is to update your resume and LinkedIn profile. These documents should be professional and up to date, and they should showcase your skills and experience as a data scientist. Include specific technologies and the programming languages that you have experience with, as well as any relevant projects and accomplishments. Do also consider seeking feedback from others in order to ensure that your resume and LinkedIn profile are as strong as possible. In addition to that, it's also important to align your resume when you're applying for different roles to those particular roles, the specific roles. If you're looking towards a role that you're applying for a role that requires of a data analyst, and you do realize that you have data analysts skills, then you can tweak your resume in order to ensure that you are aligned to the potential candidate that the recruiters are looking for. Tip number two, networking is also an important part of the job search process, and it can help you learn about job opportunities that may not be advertised. Do join relevant online groups such as data science groups on LinkedIn, or attend industry events, or even just join WhatsApp groups that have other professionals who are related to the field that you intend to work in. You can also reach out to other connections in the data science industry for advice and potential job leads. If you want to work in the banking industry as a data scientist, reach out to those people within your networks. It could be on LinkedIn, and talk to them about what opportunities are there within those organizations that they work in that you might be a suitable candidate for, or what opportunities are they looking towards advertising, so that you can always set up yourself well before that opportunity has been put in the public for applications. So building relationships with professionals in the field can give you valuable insights and help you stand out in the job search process. Tip number three. Now it's time to start applying for jobs, so don't wait for the perfect job to come along. Start applying for positions that align with your goals and interests. Use job search websites like LinkedIn and Indeed, or even other local platforms that post opportunities in relation to the role that you would want to undertake or the field that you want to go into. And follow also companies of interest on social media, and that way you can be informed whenever they have any sort of job openings. You can also try out to reaching out to companies directly and expressing your interest in working with them. You could reach out to even HR persons who would be, of course, or talent recruiters who would shed some light into the kinds of jobs that they might have within the organization. In addition, don't also be afraid to follow up with recruiters to inquire about the status of your application. Sometimes once you have done that, they might have a look again at your application and realize that you actually are suited for the role that they are advertising for. Once you've landed an interview, it's important to prepare, research the company, and practice common interview questions to build confidence. I'll learn more about the jobs, different projects that they undertake within those particular companies. Maybe it could be that you could end up working on those particular projects in the very end, or projects of similar nature. You could also, in addition to that, try practicing with a friend or mentor as part of the job interview process, who could pretend to be an interviewer. And this can help you to feel more comfortable and perform your best during those mock interviews, as well as even during the actual interview itself. So in conclusion, starting your data science job search in January can set you up for success. So by identifying your job goals, updating your resume and LinkedIn profile, networking, applying for jobs, and preparing for interviews can increase your chances of landing your dream data science job. Don't forget to seek out additional resources or assistance if needed. There are many online courses and books on data science, and career counselors who can provide valuable guidance in the job search process. So in the comments below, let us know whether you might have some additional tips or strategies for finding a data science job. And hopefully you did learn a lot from this particular video. And we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.